well, not this easy to film. So it's a 250 GD. It's a military variation of the G-Class. Also called Wolf. So there are 3 of them. So here, for example, is the E4 variation. And here the ISAF. We've seen this one also once before, in last year, 2 times or so, but never boring. But of course also a people magnet, as you can see. This car has really been in Afghanistan, but of course with a different livery. So this here is the German army livery, not the desert livery. $70 pieces of this one, and this one 20, I've heard. So he's restoring some of them. Amazing work. And it's a young dude, guys. So I also just had a nice talk with the guy with the other wolf. Actually, this is also his wolf. The second one, this is a prototype, one of 2 which is still surviving, and 21 were built of this one. It's an MSA, modulare Schutzausstattung. It had everything armored, also the glass and everything. We can also, so here was also armored glass. We can also open it. He told me I can't do that. So here you can also see, so this is not just a normal G-Wagon or Wolf. So there was also here a metal, so it was also armored. So it doesn't have a real roll bar, it's just only some light metal. Here you can see, this is also very interesting. So he has also restored this one. He's still working on a G-Wagon from the police, which is even heavier than this one here. So 250 GD. It was at I4, S4, K4, and it had a damage, so it was once attacked. So this one was going to private hands for restoration as a normal Wolf, because the armor stuff was getting removed. So and here we can also take a little look to the thing. Oh, and I'm also remembering here you can see there is a little hose for the climate, for the AC. So this car had an air conditioner. You can also see the width of the glass, which is here, this one usually. So let's just take another look here. It's just amazing to see this. And you can also see, very nice, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. So, oops. And here you can also see the ventilation. So this car has air conditioning, like I told you. So you can also see the stuff. And I hope I'm not telling bullshit. But this car also has been in Yugoslavia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, I think. in 2014 it was also getting attacked, like I told you. Yeah. It was fully armored, and the owner was just telling me he restored it, that I should look underneath this thing. Maybe it was here. So also all plates, because this is just armored, so when it's running on a mine, that you're not getting all the shrapnels into the inside. The people who were driving this in the Kosovo War did not die, so it was Kosovo and Bosnia. So this car has a long story to tell. It is also armored. Amazing. You do not get to see this often. Oops, that was not right. Bam, G-Klasse.